Okay, hello Cloud Gurus, and welcome to this lab, where we're going to set up a billing alert for our GCP account. For some context, Google says this: to help you with project planning and controlling costs, you can set a budget. Setting a budget lets you track how your spend is growing toward that amount. You can apply a budget to either a billing account or a project, and you can set the budget at a specific amount or match it to the previous month's spend. You can also create alerts to notify billing administrators when spending exceeds a percentage of your budget. Alright, to start off, we're going to log into the GCP console as our administrative account, the same one we've been using so far. Okay, so here we are in the console, logged in as our administrative account, and we're going to go to the navigation menu and select Billing. In the billing menu, we'll choose Budgets and Alerts. We'll say that we want to create a budget. Call our budget Trial Budget. And make sure that it's set up to use our billing account. You might sometimes have circumstances where you want a specific project to have its own budget or alerts, but for our situation now, we want to get a notification if anything is charged to this trial billing account. Because we want to find out when we do stuff that's outside of the free tier, we're just going to set the budget to $1. And since this is a trial account, we have to make sure that we include credit as a budget expense. If we check this Cost After Credit checkbox, then we won't get any notification until we've used up the entire $300 trial credit, and that's not what we want. These are a good set of alerts, so we can leave them, but I'm also going to add one more alert for 1% of our $1 budget. Now, connecting a pub subtopic to this budget allows you to track this stuff programmatically rather than just getting emails, but that's not something we're going to do today. Let's click Save, and our budget should be created. Now up here we see a little thermometer that tells us how much of this particular budget has been used, and of course we don't have any usage yet. Well, this is a good thing to have in place for now anyway. In the future, we'll definitely want to increase this budget. I know that this was a really quick lab, but I hope it gives you just a sense for what you can do here, and I hope it'll really sink in for you when you get that first notification that basically tells you, hey, what you just did there is not in the always free tier. And a few more email notifications later, and your thermometer will fill up, and it'll tell you how much you would have spent this month if you didn't have the free trial anymore. Alright, if you have any questions for me, please let me know. If not, please feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.